welcome back to my channel sweta'sbeautyvanity. And if you're someone new here, hi, my name is Shweta. Very welcome to my vanity. I do videos on makeup, beauty, fashion, skincare, hair care, DIY, sometimes blogging on my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and please be with me. As festive season is just around the corner, I decided to create few festive look for you guys, and this is the very first look I have created for upcoming Eid, and it's a dramatic kind of look but very wearable and easy to recreate. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please stay tuned and keep on watching. Today I'm gonna do my eye makeup first. So to prime my eyelid, I'm going to use my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and it is in the shade medium, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid to discard any discoloration or oiliness in my eyelid, and then I'm gonna blend the concealer with my finger. Now to set the creamy base, I'm going to apply this loose finishing powder from Maybelline, and it is in the shade 15 light, and I'm applying this powder with this crease brush from Real Technique all over my eyelid and creating a smooth canvas for the eyeshadows I'm going to use in my eyelid today. So for today's eye makeup, I'm going to use my Bad Habit Apparate palette, and for the first transition shade I'm going to pick this brown shade which is called Admire, and for applying this shadow I'm using my Luxie 249 brush, and I'm applying this shadow directly onto my crease eye socket area like I'm doing here. Now for the second transition shade, I'm going to use this reddish brown color from the palette which is called Romance, and with a L crease brush I'm going to apply this shadow on top of the previous brown shadow. This technique is going to warm up my crease a bit further, and after applying this shadow I'm gonna blend these two shadows together. Now to give a subtle depth and smokiness into my crease area, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm applying this eyeshadow with a small head blending brush from ELF. Now when you are working with the black eyeshadow, please do not apply the shadow in a one go. You should build up the coverage little by little, because if you do some mistake with this shadow, it would be very difficult to fix it. So keep that in mind. Here I'm applying the shadow in my crease area. I'm bringing this color into my outer V and deepen up the outer V as well. Now to diffuse the harsh edges of the black eyeshadow, I'm applying, you can say I'm reapplying the reddish brown color which is called Romance into my crease area, and I'm blending the black eyeshadow and making a smooth transition in my crease area. Now I'm going to apply the star of the eye look, the pigmented shimmery eyeshadow from Colourpop. It is in the shade Coconut. I know Colourpop is not widely available in India, but you can get Colourpop products from different Insta seller. Or this kind of eyeshadow is very common. You can get different various eye palette available in Indian beauty market. So here, before applying the product, I spread little bit of MAC Fix Plus into my brush, and then I'm applying it all over my lid and keep layering it until I'm happy with the coverage. Now to diffuse the harsh edges of the teal shadow, I'm grabbing my oil blending brush once again and running the brush right between the transition shade and the lid shade, and buffing out any harsh edges over there. Now to draw a thin winged liner onto my upper lash line, I'm applying my Lakme black liner. Today, if you notice, I applied a scotch tape on the side of my eyes. It helps to make a crispy winged edge in my eye look. It also helps to make wing liner flawless and neat and equal in both the side. Now to make the whole eye look flawless and seamless at the same time, I'm picking my Luxie brush once again and running this brush into my crease area and blending all the harsh edges over there. Blending and buffing process may take time, but at the end you can get a pro-like eye makeup. Now come back to the face makeup. Now to prime my face, I am applying the ELF poreless primer, as I have some open pores on my cheek area. So to blur out the pores, I am applying the product mainly over there, and at the same time I'm applying it onto my nose and pretty much everywhere onto my face. In the next step, I'm going to color correct my dark circles and darkness in my face, and for that I'm grabbing these two products, that is yellow and orange color corrector from LA Girl. I like to mix this product 1:1 ratio, then applying it with a deluxe crease brush from Real Technique and applying it under my eyes and around my mouth like so. So now it's time to apply the foundation, and as a foundation today I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 240 golden beige. This is the first time I am using this foundation in my YouTube channel in front of camera. I'm loving this product so far. As the product claims, it gives me a dewy plus smooth finish. It's very lightweight, you can totally build up the coverage. It gives me medium coverage, but as I said earlier, you can build up the coverage according to your need, and I'm recommending this product. If you haven't tried this product yet, girls, please give it a try, and I'm telling you, this product won't let you down. Now to highlight my face and conceal the under eye area, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium, and I'm going to use it under my eye, down the bridge of my nose, middle of my forehead, onto the chin, mainly the center part of my face. Then I'm gonna blend it with my beauty sponge. Now to set and lock the foundation and concealer onto its place, I'm applying this loose finishing powder from Maybelline. It is in the shade 15 light, and with the buffing brush I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Now to give a subtle depth and structure to the flat face, I'm gonna apply this bronze shade blush, which is from Pacifica Beauty, and applying it hollow of my cheekbone and outer parameter of my face. This is actually a blush, but this kind of shade can be used as a bronzer. And after that, with the same product, I'm gonna contour my nose with my finger. Then as a blush, I'm using Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and with the help of Real Technique contour brush, I'm gonna apply the product onto the apple of my cheek. Now let's finish the eye makeup. Now onto the lower lash line, I'm gonna use the same transition shade which I used onto my eyelid. That is, first I'm going to use the warm brown shade, and after that I'm going to use the reddish brown shade from the same appropriate palette and applying it with the L blending brush. Now to tightening my lower waterline, I'm going to use the Kiko Intense eyeliner. I guess it is in the shade 11. If I am wrong here, the correct shade number will be available in the product details in the description box below. Now to smoke out and smudge out the lower waterline, I'm going to grab the air smudger brush, and I have a little bit of black eyeshadow in the brush, and with the same brush I'm going to smudge out and smoke out my lower lash line like I'm doing here. Now to highlight the brow bone area and the inner teardrop area, I'm going to apply this gold undertone shimmery shadow from the Aphrodite palette. For as a face highlighter today, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and with a fan brush I'm going to apply this product onto the highest point of cheekbone, down the bridge of my nose, and onto the forehead like I'm doing here. Now it's time to add mascara, but beforehand, you guys know that I always like to curl up my lashes, and as a product today I'm going to apply It Cosmetics 5-in-1 mascara, and I'm going to apply this product both upper and lower lashes. Today I'll be adding false lashes, because with this kind of smoky eye look I like to put falsies, but if you are not comfortable with false lashes, then you can totally skip the step. In that case, you have to put a 3 to 4 coat mascara both upper and lower lashes. We are almost verge upon makeup, so to finish up the whole look, I'm going to apply the lip shade now. And as a lip shade today, I'm going to use the LA Girl matte lipstick, and it is in the shade Fluid. I do not like the product that much, but whenever I opt for this kind of smoky eyes, I like to wear this kind of new terracotta shade. And top of that, I'm going to use now a Rimmel lip gloss. Both of the product names and details will be available in the description box below, so if you guys are interested, you can check my description box below. Now to make the whole makeup long lasting and budge proof, I'm going to spray my MAC makeup mist setting spray, that is MAC Fix Plus, all over my face. So voila, this is my final look. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful and like the tutorial. If you guys like this tutorial, do not forget to hit the like button and share this tutorial with your friends who like to wear makeup. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps to grow my channel further and it's absolutely free. I'll be back here soon with another exciting videos next week. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.